out here are, y'all hurting not being able to go to the barbershop. I don't know why half of y'all just didn't decide to go bald, because you can't give yourself a line out, you can't give yourself a fade, your beard is just everywhere. Like, you have absolutely fallen off. But that's okay, because we are going to say goodbye to the struggle beard, and we are going to say hello to men's grooming products from the Black Beard Brigade. These men's grooming products from the Black Beard Brigade are formulated with the best essential oils to soothe, protect, and invigorate skin to help you grow a fuller beard. Now, these are the 1 ounce options. These also come in 3 ounce options, and the price point for both of these is $10, and that's just for the 1 ounce. Now, this is the balm and this is the butter. And if you're not familiar with men's grooming products, especially you ladies who do all of the shopping for your men, you're definitely going to want to listen up to this part, because these products, even though they may look similar and sound similar, they definitely do 2 different things, but they complement each other. So you're going to want to buy these in pairs. Now, the butter, I was sent the Tanzanian Sun Premium Beard Butter. And I love the smell of this. Like, look at this here product. Just want you to be able to get a good look at it. Now, this is the butter. The butter really does soothe. It moisturizes. It conditions. And if you have a guy who really likes, you know, uniformity, this butter you can actually use on your beard and the hair on your head. This is made with shea nilotica, is that how you say that? I don't know, we're gonna figure it out in a minute. Mango butter, babasu butter, jojoba oil, avocado oil, Jamaican black castor oil, vegetable glycerin, and a little bit of scent. Now, I want to tell you about the scent. The scent, it really does smell good. But the best part about the scent is that it's not overpowering. So if you have a favorite cologne, or your man has a favorite cologne, this is not going. They're not going to clash. The cologne is what's going to really stand out. The best attribute about the product is the fact that it moisturizes and conditions. You and your man are snuggling, you're out on a date, you're up close to take a selfie, you're also not going to have any type of oily residue. So you ain't got to worry about him leaning on your shoulder, leaving oil stains on your clothes, or on your furniture, or on your bedspread, or on your pillow. You're not going to have any of that. That's the best part about the beard butter. The smell is great. All of the ingredients, like I said, 100% essential oils. Also, these are vegan products, so if you're vegan, if your man's a vegan, then these products fall right in alignment with that lifestyle. Like, it's just awesome. Now, I got the Premium Classic Beard Balm. Now, the Beard Balm acts very similar to the butter. It also, it conditions, it moisturizes, but really, the Beard Balm is the finishing touch. So for men who like to style their beards, or even if if you just brush it or comb it out and that's all the styling you're going to do, what the Beard Balm does is it keeps and it calms the flyaways and the stray hairs. It actually, it really just conditions it to the point where you can style it and groom it. If you want to fluff out your beard, you can fluff your beard out. If you like it, a little bit more contained, you can do that. And that's the best part about the Beard Balm. Again, I use this on my boo thing, and he really enjoyed it. It worked better than he anticipated it going to be. He's one of them type of dudes who, he's gonna pick his beard and keep it going. He never even thought about, using the butter or using the balm or anything. And I know some gentlemen have a problem with dry skin or beard dandruff. This is going to help you with that as well. Website. So they also have complete grooming kits. They have combs, they have brushes, they have oils, they have travel kits. Like, they have so many different products. You're going to be like, oh my god, I need one of each. I need a whole kit. I need my man to try the wash. I need him to try the oil. You're going to fall in love with these products. Also, for those out there who own beauty supply stores, they also have a wholesale option. So if you go to blackbeardbrigade.com, you will find more information out about that. You are going to want to stock your shelves or your online store with products from the Blackbeard Brigade. So that's all I have for this episode of Minority Report. There is